Welcome to Cornell University. We have reached
I don't understand. This is the Cornell University map. We can split the campus into 5. We start here from the bottom and let's explore the south side of campus first.
Okay, Cornellians, we have reached the south end of campus. In front of me is College Town, a lively off-campus neighborhood. But today, we are focusing only on Cornell University.
Staying in the south side, we can go from here to Showcop Field and Liner Rink, our 2 prominent sport complexes.
Yo, we're at the Showcop Field.
This is a 21,500 seat capacity home stadium for American football. We also have the Liner Rink close by, where ice hockey games are played.
And this is Liner Rink,
A 4,267 seat hockey arena.
Surprising, they aren't even here.
We still have 4 more areas. Standing between these 2 stadiums, we can leave the south and enter the east campus. Better known as the vet school.
As we're on a mission, let me enlighten you a little. Cornell University is based in Ithaca, New York, and founded in 1865 by Ezra Cornell and Andrew Dixon White.
Please, later, not the boring information right now. Reach the vet school and show that.
We're nearly there. Imagine, it's -2 degrees today, and I'm nearly sweating. There is a transport system here, as you can see, which first-year students do get for free. And though I'm not a first-year student, I am treated as one, so I can go on the transport for free. But I'm not. I'm walking everywhere just for you, as always, so you can take in the beautiful scenery. So smash that like button. And here's the vet school. Oh, Cornell is well known for this, the Cornell Dairy Bar. Let's have a much needed ice cream. What's the most famous?
Big Red Bear Tracks.
The Big Red Bear Tracks. Okay.
It's right here. It has chocolate brownies in it and a caramel swirl. So this one's really popular. They're super good. They're all made right here in this building up the hall.
Big Red Bear Tracks, 1 scoop in a cup. How much is that? Can I pay with Big Red Bucks?
What are you doing? You are at the vet school. Where is Cornell Dairy Bar now? Here. Perfect. Okay, it's nearby. From here, we can go through the iconic Cornell Botanic Gardens, cross the Sackett Footbridge, and enter North Campus.
Perfect. This is stunning, the Botanic Gardens. You know, I've been here a couple of weeks and I've realized that no matter how advanced a university gets or how advanced the world gets, things are still beautifully old schooled over here. My classes here are mainly books driven and lots of readings. Oh, and here's North Campus.
All freshmen are housed on North Campus as part of Cornell's first year experience. The houses here are referred to as program houses and each have a theme. So if you're new, chances are you'll be staying here.
How are they not here, top of campus? It was snowing 2 weeks ago. Been trying to find them since then. Oh, look what we have here. Morrison Dining, one of Cornell's 10 dining halls. In fact, 3 of them are here in North Campus. Why not munch a bit now that we're here? of this?
Yeah, me.
Whoa, this is vegan. Crazy. What's your name? Jason. Thank you so much, Jason. Where is Morrison Dining now? Here. So we've seen south, a bit of east, vet school, and from here we can go through Thurston Avenue Bridge to enter West Campus. This is Thurston Avenue Bridge. Beautiful waterfall. That is just one of hundreds of waterfalls in Ithaca. We're smashing this. 3 out of 5 already done. Now, you know where we are, Cornell University. Initially used to be Ezra Cornell's farm. And he used it not just to build any institution, but one where everyone would have the opportunity to learn, regardless of their background. Something rare back then. Simply put, Ezra Cornell was a visionary. Hence his principle, any person, any study, is highly emphasized over here. He dedicated a lot of his life to empowering individuals through learning. In fact, even before this university was made, in 1864, so a year before, Ezra Cornell founded the first public library for Ithaca, both an attribution to his love for books and evidently endorsing education wherever he could. Hey, when I showed you North Campus, where only first-year students stay, how come no one commented or asked, where do the upper-class students stay? What? Do you not care about them?
If you are a transfer student, second-year student, or upperclassman, chances are you'll be living here on West Campus. As you can tell, it has a Gothic feel.
I live here in Hans Beth.
Remember I said there are 10 dining halls? 3 are north, 6 of them are here on West Campus. The last one is in
Central Campus.
You still have Central Campus left. You're at Hans Beth. Hans Beth is perfect. You can go up the stunning Leib slope through the Cornell store and explore Central Campus.
About Andrew Dixon White, he served as this university's first president for nearly 2 decades. ADW was a leader. He was largely responsible for, giving this university that initial boost or jump in terms of recruiting faculty members. And he was also instrumental in the development of the university's library. Evidently, also a big fan of books. Jesus, look at this. Just look at the vastness. More up we go. It was snowing 2 weeks ago. I've been trying to find the lens there. This is the famous bell tower. It's where the chimes are played. It's called McGraw Tower. Unfortunately, it's currently under refurbishment. But my God, look at this. Oh look, and that's the Cornell store.
See, this is the core of the campus. It comprises of large auditoriums, a blend of historical and modern buildings, vast spaces of greenery, and several eateries. For me, it's like a city in itself.
So this is the Statler School. This is the school that I'm in, and right next to that, if you can see right behind me, is the Statler Hotel. I still don't see them though. That's all 5 done. Surprisingly, I still don't see them though. Things are still beautifully old schooled over here. You know, my classes here are mainly books driven and lots of readings. Ezra Cornell founded the first public library about Andrew Dixon White, also a big fan of books.
Now I understand. Ezra Cornell always had an enormous respect for books and their influence. What else? Andrew Dixon White started collecting books in his undergraduate years and continued to do so for the rest of his life. He offered to give the university his personal collection of 30,000 books. The ideas of a great university and a great library were inextricably linked. Okay, that means books. Books. Yeah, library. University's library. How far is it? Start low.
As we're on a mission, I still don't see them. Cornell University is by Ezra Cornell and Andrew Dixon White. Ezra Cornell was a visionary, an attribution to his love for books. ADW was a leader. He was also instrumental in the development of the university's life. Welcome to Cornell University.